DoD and VA research centers invent hundreds of new technologies every year to support veterans and the U.S. military. These inventions often have commercial applications and are available to U.S. businesses through a process called technology transfer. TechLink helps businesses and entrepreneurs identify, evaluate, and license inventions to create new products and services. First, use the TechLink marketplace to discover DoD and VA inventions that could benefit your business. Next, determine if the invention is a good fit for your business with no-cost guidance from our certified licensing professionals. Then, submit your partnership application with confidence. TechLink provides insights into each lab's requirements. Lastly, license. Put licensed technology to work for your business. Patent license agreements grant the right to make, use, and sell the invention on the commercial marketplace. To learn more, visit techlinkcenter.org.